Hello, welcome to Beer-Gineers. I'm out. I've got a nice beer, a local beer to me for you today from Enville Brewery. It's around their South Staffordshire, so they're relatively local to where I am. Many of you might not have heard of these guys, but they do very fine beers. This one today, I've got Blizzard from Enville. Now this one's a 6.5% winter ale. Strong copper-coloured bitter with a well-rounded barley malt aroma. Sounds nice. So, let's see what this has in store for us. Let me crack this open. Right, let's see what it looks like as you pour. Light brown, I'd go for. Crystal clear. Decent head in it. Nose on it. Malt. Lots of malt. Yeah, that's about it. Not super malty, but kind of what you expect from the description, to be honest. Now, let's go for the taste. A sharp malt. Hint the pear off it actually. It's like the back of the mouth afterwards. Yeah, that's nice. It's, how do I describe the taste? Malt with a hint of pear drops, really, as described. Yeah, you get that in the back afterwards, aftertaste. That's good, very refreshing. Another good beer from these guys. They do really nice, very quaffable beer. You know, you can have a few of these. This one's what did I say? It was 6.5%. Ooh, yeah. So that's like a winter warmer, I suppose. You wouldn't know that 6.5 point. It's getting me drunk already, is it? I've only just had a bit. 6.5%. Yeah, I must have got me drunk already. I can't speak. Anyway. Good beer. That's what I'm going to go for. So good, it stops you from speaking properly. What more can I say? Yeah, I recommend it again. That's Enville. Enville Blizzard. Nice drink. Seems to get the tongue in knots from just drinking it. Well, it does for me, obviously. Well, I'll give that a thumbs up for me. Again, if you get a chance to try it out, Enville, local brewery in South Staffordshire, generally around the Midlands, people know of it. It's good. I'd go for that one. Snodge it. Catch you next time.